So for this problem, Anna wanted to invest an amount worth 50,000 pesos. Then at what rate she wants her money to be doubled in a span of 70 months. So since this problem is a simple interest, so this is the formula. So we have the interest equals the principal times the rate times the time. Then we need to list all the given from this problem. So for the principal, this one is the amount invested by Anna, and that's 50,000 pesos. Then for the rate, so since we're looking for the rate, so at what rate, therefore the rate is the unknown. And for the time, so we have a span of 70 months. So we need to convert these months to years. So therefore, this 70 divided by 12 because there are 12 months in a year. So we have 70 divided by 12. So this is equal to 5.83. So the time is equal to 5.83. Then for this interest, since Anna wanted to double her money, so therefore the future value must be equal to 100,000 pesos. So double this 50,000 pesos. And since to find the future value, so this is equal to the principal plus the interest. Since we have now this given principal amount, that's 50,000 pesos. So therefore, the interest must also equal to 50,000 pesos to make that equals to 100,000 pesos. So therefore, the interest must be also equal to 50,000 pesos. Then from this, we can find now the rate. Substitute to this formula. So the interest is 50,000 pesos, then equals the principal amount. Also 50,000 pesos times the rate. This one is the unknown. Then times the time. The time is 5.83. Then to simplify, so this 50,000 pesos then equals. So we have 50,000 pesos then times 5.83. So this is equal to 291,500. So 291,500 then times the rate. Then to find the rate, so we need to divide both sides by this 291,500. 91,500. So the rate. So this 50,000 divided by 291,500 equals. So that's 0.1715. So 0.1715. Then since we're looking for the rate in percent, so we need to multiply this one by 100. So therefore, the rate equals 17.15%.